Hey guys, went online. This is a Maker World. Came across this packout mountain plates. So I really want to see what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go ahead and download and send it print. So this is what I end up with. This is a connecting. Just snap like this. I print them with the different materials. Some of them are PETG, some of them there's ABS, and the other one is PACF. And I'm gonna use this board here, trim it, and probably gonna go about 2 layers, about 2 layers, and about 8 feet, a little bit under 8 feet, something like that. So I got it laid out. I'm gonna have about 1.5 inches from the edge. So I'm gonna trim here and also trim this side. I went ahead and gave it a little bit of sand before I apply paint. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer first. So I got it painted. Nope, it's not red. Now I gotta measure this out and secure it. And there you have it.